the value of the another signal, that is known as the modulating signal. Okay, again it is tracking. Now
it's okay, ma'am.
now it is it now it's okay na? Okay, here by means of the modulation we are going to change either amplitude, frequency, or time, or phase by means of the modulating signal amplitude. Okay, here we are going is the characteristics of the carrier signal by using the amplitude of the message signal. Okay, the procedure is known as the modulation. The signal which is having the information, which is having the data, is known as the modulating signal. Okay, it may be known as the message signal or the data intelligence signal also. And after completion of the modulation, we may get one resultant signal. The resultant signal, okay. Okay. Then what is the need to go for the modulation? In order to go for the modulation, we have so many number of the reasons. Okay. For suppose if you won't use any modulation, then without any data loss, so mostly it is impossible. Why? Because as the distance increases, then also the level, the strength of the signal may be reduced. So for suppose whenever I am giving a lecture, here what is happening as the distance increasing, okay, for the classroom, for suppose we are in a classroom, I am giving the lecture, then what happens? For the front bench student, it is very clear. They can able to hear very clearly. Hello?
Madam, Vaishnavi is waiting in waiting room.
Vaishnavi? Wait ma. Okay. Okay. Okay, then what happens for the front bench students, it is very clear to hear the lecture. So as the distance increases up to the back benches, then up to some extent the lecturer voice will be degraded. It may be reduced. So signal also reduced. Okay, it is one of the reason. Why? Because we are choosing the modulation. Okay, not only that, here we have so many examples. Reduction in the height of the antenna. It is the best reason why we are choosing the modulation. If we go for the modulation, how the antenna height will be minimized. Okay, in the next slide, we are going to learn about this. Okay, one more reason is in order to avoid the mixing of the signals. Okay, and it increases the range of the communication. Multiplexing is possible and improves the quality of the reception. Among these reasons, again, same information is given in this slide. I will forward it just to go through it. Now, reduction in the height of the antenna. For suppose we have some 5 meters of the antenna or 10 meters of the antenna. That the antenna is the group of the elements or group of the wires or metallic objects. So nowadays we can able to see the antennas at anywhere. Either it may be the rural area or it may be the town. Okay, isn't it? For suppose up to 1 kilometer, not up to 1 kilometer, up to 500 meters, up to 100 meters, it is possible to construct the antenna in a perfect structure. But in order to construct above 2 kilometers of the height of the antenna, is it possible? It is impossible. Even in order to construct the antenna, even in order to mount the antenna on the surface of the earth. So quietly it is impossible in order to go for the higher and height of the antennas. So here the height of the antenna is always in terms of the multiples of the lambda by 4. Whatever it may be. 1 lambda by 4, 2 lambda by 4, the height of the antenna. Here lambda is nothing but the wavelength of the original signal. Okay. In the first sem, I think, first or second sem, or in the chemistry also, not the chemistry, in the physics also, you have seen F. Here C indicates what? C is the velocity of the light. F is the frequency of the signal. So here we have to substitute the values of these wavelength of the light and the frequency of the signal in this equation. But suppose if we go for the signal of the 10 kilohertz, then what will be the height of the antenna? Calculated here. Look at here. The minimum height of the antenna is the lambda by 4 only. That is minimum value. So here, substitute the value of the lambda value, then we can able to get the of the means speed of the light 8 hertz. So if we go for the solution, we may get the value is 7500 meters, or it may be the 7.5 kilometers. Just imagine, is it possible to construct the antenna of the height 7.5 kilometers? Okay, quietly it is impossible. Okay, now what we are doing means, now changing the frequency of the signal. If you go for the high frequency, for the 10 kilohertz of the signal frequency, we have to construct the antenna of the 7.5 kilometers. In the same way, if we increase the signal frequency in terms of the megahertz, here we have taken 1 megahertz. Again, if you go for the same procedure, C equal to lambda by 4, that is C by C by 4 into F. If we substitute all these values, this is 75 meters, kilometers, and the 75. Hello?
Ma'am, voice is not clear, ma'am. Sometimes it's fast,
Vinisunda?
slow. మ్యామ్ ఒక్కొక్కసారి ఫాస్ట్ గా వస్తుంది, ఒక్కొక్కసారి స్లోగా మొత్తం స్ట్రక్ అవుతుంది మ్యామ్ వాయిస్. హలో
మ్యామ్.
హలో మ్యామ్.
That is
మ్యామ్, ఇట్స్ టోటలీ స్ట్రక్కింగ్.
Hello.
Clear, ma'am.